taking a break from C++ to see what the Python hype is all about? Before you can start building apps or automating tasks, you need to get Python on your machine. Sounds easy, right? But a shocking number of developers mess this up on day one. They rush the install, open their terminal, and get hit with that soul-crushing error. Python is not recognized. Today, we're bulletproofing your Windows setup so that never happens to you. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Python. Click the very first link to python.org. Always get your installers straight from the official source to avoid bloatware. Hover over the Downloads tab. The site detects your operating system, so just click the massive button for the latest Windows release to grab the executable file. Double-click that new.exe file, but stop right here. Don't blindly click Install Now. This is the trap where 90% of beginners fail. Look at the very bottom of the window for two easily missed checkboxes. First, check Use Admin Privileges when installing py.exe. Next, and this is the absolute most critical step of the entire video, check Add Python.exe to Path. Why is this so vital? Your system's path is basically a master VIP list. It tells Windows exactly where Python lives. Checking this box means you can run Python from any folder on your hard drive. With both boxes checked, you can confidently hit Install Now. Wait for the progress bar to finish. Once you see the Setup was successful screen, go ahead and close the window. Now let's verify it worked. Hit your Windows key, type cmd, and open the command prompt. Type python --version and hit enter. If you see a version number pop up, Python is officially alive on your machine. But let's look under the hood to see what that path checkbox actually did. Hit the Windows key again and search for environment variables. Open the menu, click the Environment Variables button at the bottom, and find Path in the list. Select it and hit Edit. Right there, you will see the exact folder paths pointing to where Python was just installed. If your terminal ever stops recognizing Python in the future, this is the exact menu you checked to fix it. Finally, let's write some actual code. Close those menus and search your computer for idle. This is Python's built-in lightweight code editor. Open it up, type print parentheses quotation marks hello world quotation marks parentheses and hit enter. Just like that, your environment is perfectly configured, your path is clear, and you are officially writing Python. Drop a like if this saved you a headache, subscribe for more developer tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.